Feeling nervous about the safety of your crypto? Wondering how to stop your digital assets from disappearing into the ether? Well, you've come to the right place. While Coinbase has some of the best security in the business, the truth is, a self-custody wallet like Coinbase Wallet means the ultimate responsibility for your funds lies with you. And there are some very common ways people lose their crypto. But don't worry, securing your Coinbase wallet is simpler than you might think. It all comes down to a few key habits and best practices. First and foremost, the most critical thing you can do is protect your recovery phrase. This is a 12-word phrase that is the master key to your entire wallet. It's what you use to back up and restore your wallet, and anyone who has it can access and drain all of your funds. Coinbase will never, ever ask you for this phrase. So, if you're asked for it, it's a scam. Never type it into a website, a document on your computer, or a photo on your phone. Write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a safe place, like a fireproof safe or a lockbox. Better yet, create a couple of copies and store them in different secure locations. Next, enable every security feature the wallet offers. That means setting up a strong password and enabling biometric authentication like a fingerprint or Face ID. This prevents unauthorized access to the app on your device, even if your phone is lost or stolen. It's a simple, but crucial, layer of protection. Also, be sure to periodically review and disconnect any dApps you're no longer using. These are the decentralized applications you connect your wallet to for various activities. Over time, you might accumulate many connections, and a malicious or compromised one could put your funds at risk. It's a good practice to go into your wallet settings and revoke permissions from any dApp you don't recognize or trust anymore. Finally, be on high alert for scams. This is where most people lose their crypto, not from some sophisticated hack, but from social engineering. Be wary of airdrops from unknown sources, fake websites that look like Coinbase, and anyone, even customer support, asking for your private keys or recovery phrase. Remember, Coinbase support will never call you and will never ask you for your private information or for remote access to your device. Be skeptical, be smart, and always double-check the URL before connecting your wallet to a new site. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.